Welcome back to another creek fishing video. In this video, I'm with a buddy of mine, and we're stopping at a couple bridges throughout the whole video, but it's the same creek, and just seeing what we can catch and what we find. Just exploring a little. So I hope y'all enjoy. Oh! Oh! He's not bad. It was how he hit it. Oh! It's smelly.
You couldn't tell that?
Well, how the largemouth's been fighting? That's a good one too. He's about at least a pound. Ah, no. Come here. Good. Yeah. What do you think he's gonna be? 1.9. So he's pound and a half. That's first fish too. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy underwater release. Oh, there you go. Oh. Sunfish. Finger pushing it out. How you like that? Green. It was down in there, and I used one finger to get it out. Damn. Not tough. Huh?
I'm glad you catch toads. I'm getting teased.
You getting what? Teas?
Yeah.
Oh, you getting little nibbles?
Yeah.
Come up here. Ooh. Oh, ow.
Chris was like, oh.
Yeah, I'm liking it. There we go. Oh, well, he looks wicked. See the like pattern on top of his head.
And watch your fucking shit. Yeah.
Go, Argy. Boop. Oh, you had one following. Oh, he's going for it. Let it drop. He's going down for it. He's gonna hit it. Get it, get it, get it, get it. There you go. That is not. Oh, okay. I thought it wasn't the one that I saw. No! Yeah, I saw him shining through there. I was like, what?
Oh, that's a nasty cat.
You like that? I ain't seen something like that. This is really deep water. This is really deep water. Holy crap. It don't end. Under all this algae? How'd you do that? Let me guess you went here.
Strong, bro.
Let me try to get up here first. See what I mean? Me? I'm going. Fine, I'll just slip into the abyss. I actually slipped into the abyss. Not good.
Is it not good?
No.
Well,
I have all my gear in here.
well, the good news is, that is the GoPro pocket.
Huh?
I think the GoPro pocket went under.
All right, I think I'm going for it. It's like sliding. Oh, that's dark. Oh, there's a bunch of dead spiders on it. Brakes. Oh my smally. Oh my gosh. What a smally. Alright.
I'll zoom in a little bit.
Oh, yeah, smoked.
You got smoked again.
There we go. There we go. I'm not even recording.
Oh, it's okay.
I wasn't even recording. No! Wait, were you recording? Yeah. Oh, yeah, there you go. Oh! Almost lost me. Little R's miles. Huh? Did you get one? There you go. Little RG. There's another one following it too. Well, I think I got one. I think I got one too.
Oh,
Double up.
oh, nice, I got it.
You got that? Make sure it's not too low. I always like look down. That was cool.
I think I still got it.
That was. I know it, dude.
Damn.
I know they fighting here. Well, I think they're just so chummed up and they're just really strong. That's what it is.
I like it.
Oh yeah, makes them kind of feel like smallies. That's not bad, RG.
No.
Yeah. Nah. Hey man, green sunfish, they fight. Restricted. What green sunfish? There's like one survivor over there. Huh? I didn't even know he had it. Man, these things fight good in here. Look at those rocks. Oh, he's chunky.
Hell no.
That chunky largy. There we go. Stop it.
Huh?
I've been playing with him past like 5 minutes. Largy. Oh, one behind me. Oh, wow. Ow. Holy. With my calf. Golly, that's not a stick.
No, it's not. It's not a stick.
I don't know if you knew. Not a stick. I almost caught it. Come on, look. There we go.
Damn, he's doing. Oh my god.
Yeah, he is. A little smaller. They fight so hard. This whole creek, dude, all the bass. There's Smalley.
No.
Oh, me, dude. How do I find them all?
What'd you think that time? Is there another one?
You walk over here.
Nah, I'm good. I think it might be like an old bridge or something.
I think that. Yeah, we're leaving after this hole anyway. There we go. There's Smalley. There was Smalley. Not too bad. Oh man, he was long. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. He's not even big. Why is he fighting this hard? Dang. Seeing this right now?
You got your toad?
I mean, he's a little toad. I would say about a pound. But he's dragging me all over the place. Like I ain't nothing.
Warm out, huh?
I guess. Get weight on him. Oh. Get underwater this guy. Huh? There we go. Never bass, never largy. Ow! Here, something.